Today is not for the fire alarm room number, I don't know, number 3. And today I'm going to be doing the fire alarm with the horn strobe. So let's go ahead and get started. So right here I have the simplex metal pull station. Really cool. So, yeah. So basically, really nice pull station to add it, so cool. And also the pull station is made out of metal. I also have that on the back box. And on top over here I have my Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe. And let me go ahead and something's gonna be really cool is the alarm. You should take this out, and if you look at the inside here, you see the wires. And also I put the wire nuts to it. So there you go. Okay, so yeah. But yeah. Alright, we'll go ahead and test the alarm. And also this one is on the Gentex Commander 3 fire alarm is on mechanical horn. Of course it's loud. So I'm going ahead and pull the fire alarm and see the alarm in action. So here we go. The alarm is not going to wait for any second. Oh my god. Oh, that was loud. I'm going to reset this pulsation. How to reset? Oh. Alright, so since the alarm wasn't working, we might go ahead and pull the fire alarm again. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Here we go. Pull the fire alarm. Oh, that thing was in high pitch. I already silenced the horn strobe on this. That thing was loud. Yeah, make sure to cover your ears this time. So yeah, that's this video. Thank you guys for watching.